Embossers create a raised image on paper and are perfect for envelopes, stationery, and cards. We'll show you how to easily get your own custom embosser and how to get crisp, personalized imprints. To order your custom embosser, head to rubberstamps.com. Under the Embossers tab, choose a category that fits your intended use. Then pick a template to start personalizing your embosser. If you would like to get a custom image on your embosser, please call customer service. Next, pick the embossing direction. The direction is in relation to where your embosser will be imprinting from on the paper. Bottom orientation will be for envelopes and stationery, while top is commonly used for letterheads. If you already have an Excelmark embosser, then you can select Die Plate Only. Now it's time to personalize. To edit the template, simply click on a line of text and enter in your information. Once your custom design is ready, click Add to Cart to complete your order. To assemble your embosser, hold the die plate with the circle side facing up and the side with the indents facing down. Pinch the die plate together and insert it into the embosser. Make sure that 2 indents on the bottom of the die plate snap into the tabs of the embosser. When embossing, make sure to do 1 sheet of paper at a time. Press firmly down on the handle, but not too hard to avoid ripping the paper. To swap out designs, pinch the die plate and pull it out of the embosser, and then repeat the process for assembling. To store your embosser back in the box, hold the handle down and move the locking switch up to keep the embosser in a closed position. Embossers offer a professional and unique way to create personalized stationery. To order custom embossers and accessories, go to rubberstamps.com.